Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can insert a pin code box in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So we need first to open Microsoft Word. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Then click on a blank document. Okay, so once you're in the Microsoft Word, we need to create the pin code box. So the pin code box, that is where you are going to input or insert your pin or type your pin. Now let me just quickly type here pin, and then we need to enlarge this or increase its font size. And there you go. We have it. Then here, we just need to simply press the Windows key and semicolon together. Again, press the Windows key and semicolon together. So it's Windows key and semicolon together. And then you will find this one, this emojis. Now just simply scroll down and you will find here symbols, but that doesn't have the pin code box. So we need to explore this. You have this one. And then we just need to scroll down to the bottom. And you'll find all the emojis in here. We just need to simply look for the one that suits a pin code box. So you have here the one in gray color, black square button, and this white square button. So you can simply click on that black square button and click again. So if you want to enter a pin which is 4 characters or 5, so it's up to you, 6 characters, and then that's it. Now let me quickly try type pin and then press Windows key and semicolon. And then let's try another style. You can also explore a lot in here. You have these hearts, you have this diamonds. If you want to have like artistic one. Okay, so we can have these colorful boxes right here. So let's try with this yellow square. And then simply click that. And that's it. So that's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.